humans. Now let us understand about an earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking of the earth which lasts for a very short time. An earthquake is caused by the violent movements of rocks deep inside the earth crust. Earthquake can cause immense damage to houses, other buildings, bridges, dams and people, etc. The effects of earthquake vary upon the magnitude and intensity. Intensity meaning power. Earthquake is a destructive natural phenomena which cannot be predicted in advance. Earthquakes makes them even more dangerous. Let us understand about effects of an earthquake. Then first point is there. Earthquake can cause damage to the buildings, bridges or dams. Second point, earthquake in many cases may cause great loss of human life. Third point, earthquake can also cause floods and landslides. Landslides means the movement of a mass of rock, debris or earth down a slope. Then next point, sometimes the earthquake occurs beneath the ocean floor. Such earthquake can lead to a tsunami. Tsunami is a series of huge sea waves. These consist of high long walls of water which move at a very rapid rate. The next topic is cause of an earthquake. What is the reason of an earthquake? Earthquake occurs when the moving plates of the earth crust slide past one another and collide with one another. The primary cause of an earthquake is faults on the crust of the earth. Fault means break or fracture between the blocks of rock in response to stress. The movement may occur rapidly in the form of an earthquake or may occur slowly in the form of creep. Creep means the tendency of a solid material to move slowly or deform permanently under the influence of persistent mechanical stresses or pressure. The outermost layer of the earth is not in a single piece. It is broken into a number of plates known as lithospheric plates or tectonic plates. This movement is due to the movement of the molten magma inside the earth. The movement of these tectonic plates cause change on the surface of the earth which may cause an earthquake. The next topic is predicting an earthquake. Earthquake tremors produce shock waves. These waves travel in all directions through the earth and also reach the surface of earth. Seismograph is an instrument which measures and records the magnitude of an earthquake in terms of the shock waves it produces. Seismograph is also known as seismometer. The next topic is focus. The place inside the earth crust where the earthquake is generated is called focus of the earthquake. The focus of an earthquake is deep underground. The seismic waves spread from the focus and travel through the earth in all directions. Focus is actually source of an earthquake. The point on the earth's surface directly above the focus is known as epicenter. The next topic is measuring an earthquake. Destructive energy of an earthquake is measured on Richter scale. This scale is mostly used for measuring the strength of an earthquake. This table shows that Richter magnitude and earthquake effects. When the value is 2.5, generally not felt but recorded on seismometer. When the value 3.5 is there, then it can be felt by many people. Next, if the value is 4.5, then some local damage is observed. Cracks in building, dams may occur. At the value 6, a destructive quake takes place. And when 7 value is identified here, then a major destructive quake also occurred. At the value 8 and 8.5, during this, the affected part of the Earth's surface shakes violently, and that is responsible for destroying an entire population. Richter scale is not a simple linear scale. Then thank you to all my students. In this chapter, we will study about protection against earthquake. Some of the important precautions which can be taken by the people living in the seismic zones for protection against earthquake are as follow. First point, all the houses and other buildings in seismic zones should be designed and constructed in such a way that they can withstand major earthquake tremors. Second point, safer places indoors as well as outdoors must be clearly identified. Third point, an emergency communication and exit plan should be made available. Next topic is safety precautions during earthquake. If we are at home when an earthquake occurs, then firstly, we should take shelter under a study table or a kitchen counter. Stay there till the shaking due to the earthquake stops. We should cover our head with the hands. Then second point is there, we should stay away from tall and heavy objects like steel almirahs, cabinet, book racks and refrigerator, so that if they topple, they may not fall on us. Then third point is there, we should also stay away from glass windows that may shelter due to vibration. If we are outdoors when an earthquake occurs, then firstly we should stay at a clear spot away from buildings, trees and overhead power lines. We should also sit on the ground. Second, if we are in a car or bus, we should not come out of it. The car should be driven slowly to a clear spot away from buildings, trees and overhead electric wires. Next and last topic is safety precautions after the earthquake. Firstly, stay calm for a while, expect aftershocks. Next, help the injured one. Next, stay away from the damaged area like as damaged buildings, damaged dams. Next, use telephone only in emergency. Next point, carefully inspect supplies like as first aid box, supplies. Next, be aware of possible tsunami if you live in a coastal area. Thank you to all my students. Revise your chapter carefully.